Hey everyone, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing my April kit lineup with you. This is actually the first kit lineup video I've been able to do this year, I think. I love doing these videos and I just have not been able to fit them into my schedule this year because to be honest, I had no idea what kits I was going to use. It's like knowing all the kits I'm going to use for the month at the beginning of the month is sometimes an accomplishment for me. But I've seemed to have figured that out for this month. So we are starting off with my dashboard page. If you are unfamiliar with my channel, on my dashboard page, they end up looking like this. I create a section where I track the sticker orders that I placed for the month, and then I track the weekly kits that I'm using at the bottom. It's always like putting together a fun little dashboard for myself at the beginning of each section of my spreads. And so for this one, I will be using the April 2022 kit from Sadie Stickers, and this was cherry blossom themed, which is a theme that tends to come around every April, and I didn't get a chance to use this last year, and I'm so glad I still have it. This is just the deco add-on. I'm pretty sure this was before, right before journaling kits really took off and we started having all of the extras and things that we get in kits now. But I remember Sadie Stickers was doing large deco that you could buy with like her monthly kits. And so I picked this one up, and then I also picked up the floral deco that paired with the weekly kit, even though I didn't actually end up getting the weekly kit. I did apparently use some of these floral stickers, but I've plenty. Gosh, this is such a throwback. This is back when I would buy like 4 sheets of floral deco. And now being in my B6 planner, I usually do only like 1 or 2. And for my dashboard page, I'm for sure only going to need like 1 or 2 of those. I also pulled out some boxes because I always include boxes down at the bottom where I'm writing in my weekly kits. And I felt like this, the pink in the Day in May colorway from the Panda Bird Designed and Gathered Layers collection would be really pretty with this. I almost really like this peachy color with this too. This is pretty as well. So yeah, I definitely think that's gonna pair well. Pulled out some of the gold foiled ones and then the Gather one because I kind of liked both that tan and the green. So I pulled out a couple options for myself to see what I'll end up pairing with it, but I know I'm gonna need some boxes, and I think these are going to give me exactly what I'm looking for. And apparently I also pulled out the tacos because these are just adorable stickers. And I love the way these layer, and I love that little doily accent. So that is what I am thinking about for my dashboard. And I'm definitely pairing this with gold foil. Every single time we get to spring, I always go through this thing where I'm trying to work in as much silver as possible, or silver and gold, because I get so much rose gold, and you will see, I think 3 of the kits that I'm using this month are rose gold, so I'm trying to work in as much gold and silver as possible. So that said, this journaling kit from Sadie Stickers, which I'll be using for my monthly spread, I will be pulling in silver foil with this. My natural instinct is to pair rose gold with this, because anytime a kit has any purple in it, I want to pull in rose gold. It makes me happy. I love the color combination of purple and rose gold. But I'm going to go silver with this just so I don't get overloaded on rose gold for this month. And oh my goodness, I saw this, I think this was in my last haul video, which is so interesting because there's like 3 kits in this kit lineup, where this kit lineup is kind of going to be like a mini haul for me, because I have some kits in here that I specifically need to use for this month because I needed spring kits, but they didn't come in time for my last haul, but I'm not waiting. So this is gonna be a kit lineup / haul for a couple of these kits. But this actually was in my last haul, and I saw this and I knew immediately I wanted to use this for my monthly spread. I'm not partial to using traditional monthly kits. I tend to be more freeform when it comes to the way that I like doing my monthly spreads and just sort of doing my own things. This is actually a Sadie Stickers journaling kit, so very similar to what I have here. Is what I ended up doing for February. I just picked up one of Sadie Stickers journaling kits and then turned that into a spread. which is what I am very much looking forward to doing with this. I think it's so beautiful. I love the fashion dolls. I love that phone booth, the large florals. Everything about this is so amazing. And then we have all of these fun layering pieces. This is going to be a blast to plan with. And I only picked up one floral deco sheet because I think between this and then all the florals that are here, I think I should be covered in giving me enough florals to work with. This is so beautiful, and I'm really excited to plan out this monthly, and I'm going to pair that with silver foil. Then getting into week one, we have a lot of Sadie stickers this month. I guess I didn't even realize that, but it's totally okay. She released so many amazing, stunning kits. There was a Spring Fling celebration of Women's International Day. International Women's Day, that's the word. And Sadie Stickers released like 6 brand new kits. I have all of them, and I think 2 of them are going to be in my planner for April. I'm so hyped, and this is one of the kits that like I have not even had a chance to flip through this and see this, because typically what I do when I get my stickers, I put them in a drawer and wait until I'm going to haul them. But I knew I had to pull out some because I needed a kit lineup, and I knew I wanted to use this. So I'm like, oh, I'm so excited because this is my first time getting a chance to look through this kit in person. This is so beautiful, and what made me choose this, because this is for the week of April 3rd to the 9th, and the 9th is Easter, and I saw the florals and I was like, yeah, that feels like Easter. I was like, okay, definitely want to use this one for my Easter kit. I love these images. So stunning. I've been talking about this, and I probably will continue to talk about this for spring going into summer. What I am seeing with the type of clip art and artwork that's happening in full boxes, it looks like just the most incredible watercolor paintings. It's so artistic. It's so rich and detailed. The colors are vibrant and beautiful. And I'm seeing that type of artwork across various different shops in the planner community, and it makes me so happy. I love the designs. I love the way kits are drawn right now. And it's like, okay, this is a kit from Missy Meow. I'm going to be using this kit actually in this coming week. And I love this clip art too. Don't get me wrong, but this feels more like traditional clip art I've been used to using for the last couple of years of being in the planner community, the way this art is drawn. And I don't know if you could see the difference in like what I mean when I say it's like, this is beautiful, but that looks like a painting. It's so like, the clip art has made like a really unique shift that I'm in love with. So anywho, this is foiled in rose gold foil. We've got our beautiful 9 full boxes. Look at these colors. Shut up. This feels so perfect for Easter. Oh, this is a good pick. Yay. Oh God, I love the colors. I love all the different shape boxes, the swatch boxes. So good. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. I love those headers. This is stunning. And I really love, she switched this up a little while ago, and it's one of my favorite new features of her kits. Does that want to lift? Is that we get these little scalloped dividers. The scallops thin strip dividers, which I really, really love. This is beautiful. I love the florals. The hearts feel a little Valentine's-y to me. I mean, they're super cute, but I don't know why. I think it feels kind of Valentine's-y to me. Look at this. That is stunning. That's so pretty. Oh, and then, of course, the journaling seat. Look at that. Just, oh, amazing, incredible. I'm blown away. I'm in love. I love her journaling kits. I love pairing them with my weekly spreads. Everything looks so amazing. The florals, oh God, I cannot. This is so gorgeous. The colors of this, I can't wait to play. I am so hyped about all of the kits that I'm using for this month. I think they're gorgeous, and each one is just like stunning. Then for the second week, the second full week, because April, it's like a little overlap between like the end of March and the first week of April, but we started on the second, or the actual first full week of April, and then we're going into down the 10th through the 16th of April. And I have the Dawn kit from Ink Paper Plan. And again, same thing I was talking about with the artwork in the full boxes. incredible, absolutely gorgeous. And this kit is also foiled in rose gold foil. I'm pretty sure I have already hauled this one though. So if you have, if you've ever watched any of my hauls or if you've watched my previous haul, this one looks familiar. I love the fact that she's started releasing watercolor swatches to pair with her kits, because you get the like exact color match that you need. And I love pulling those into spreads. This is such a fabulous kit. I love these colors and this is so pretty, and I like having a nice transition like from one week to the next in the colors and the mood and like the vibe of what I'm using in my spreads. And I think that's going to be a really fun shift coming after these kind of bolder colors into that more very pink purpley. Is that bolder the right word? Because it's still all pastel, but that one had like lime greens in it, that first one, which, oh, I'm here for. Then we have the Bee Kit from Sadie Stickers. This is another new one that I haven't even seen in person yet. Look how pretty this is. And she just had a $2 Tuesday sale that had bee stuff in it, and I picked up a bunch of bee themed stickers and deco to pair with this. So I'm excited for that to show up. So I'll definitely have that in time for by the time I get to this week, which will be the 17th to the 23rd of April. And I will be using this stunning kit. I also really love that it has little clouds in it. I have such a thing for clouds at the moment. I am loving clouds and hot air balloons and birds for spring. And of course butterflies, because butterflies are quintessentially Tay. Look how cute this is with the honeycomb on the top strip. Shut up. I love that. Oh, that is too cute. That, gosh, these florals are stunning as well. I really love these day covers. This, oh, the deco, this is gorgeous. And then of course the journaling kit, which, I mean, just a masterpiece. This is so beautiful. Look at this, like the honeycomb, and then the detail, just so creative and beautiful. Oh my God, look at that fence. I love fences too. Fences and windows. Oh, another thing I'm just completely obsessed with, and love for spring. Oh, wow. Absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to plan with this spread. I am getting so hyped to do all. I feel like my April section is going to be one of my favorite sections of my planner this year. I am doing so good, by the way, in keeping up with my planner. Haven't been doing as great as keeping up with like filming every single one of my spreads, and I just know that's not going to be a thing for me this year, but I am going to actually finish this planner. That is my goal. I want to like completely fill this planner this year, and right now I'm on track, so I'm staying hopeful that this year is going to go well. We will be finishing up the last week of April, the 24th to the 30th, with another kit from Ink Paper Plan, and this is Spring Shops. Absolutely stunning, and this one is in rose gold foil too. The last one was gold. Sorry, I forgot to say the Bee Kit from Sadie Stickers was gold. It's the one gold kit breaking up all of this rose gold that's happening for this month. But this is truly lovely. This one, I couldn't pick a favorite full box if I tried. I love this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I even love the flowers. Okay, I could not pick a favorite because I mean I love the flowers too. The colors are so beautiful, and again, this is really nice because this is a total mood shift and color shift, totally different than the last kit that I was using, and I really love that. And then I also love that this one is yellow in it, and this is my first time seeing this kit in person. It's actually just arrived in the mail today, which is why I sat down to film this kit lineup, because I had gotten the notification that it was on the way, and I was like, perfect, that is the perfect kit to round out my month of April. And so I am seeing this in person for the first time. This is gorgeous. Are these thin strips? Oh, I love colored thin strips. Oh, so beautiful. And I love the bottom washi. This is gorgeous. Really love this color palette. I love using yellow in my planner because it's a color I don't use very often, and so when I get a chance to work it in spring and summer, that just, oh, I'm always so happy. Wow, this is gorgeous. I love this journaling kit. These florals and that color, oh wow. And that always makes me so happy because then I feel inspired and it gets my brain thinking creative thoughts, and I want to sit down and do something fun and just see what I can make with all of this. And so I've got 2 sets of the florals here. I love the variety that she's got happening with the different styles of florals, plus the really cute deco pieces. I've been seeing a lot of shops pop up with these types of like scenes where you can purchase just little sort of images, and I like these a lot. This is so pretty. Full on like scenes. It's like the full boxes, but just like freeform cutouts of them. And then of course your trims and toppers for our divider length or column length floral trims. That's the word I'm looking for. That was a struggle to get there. And then of course the swatches that I love. So this month is basically all Sadie stickers and ink paper plan. When I sat down to pick out the kits for this month, it really came down to the images in these full boxes. If you are like me and seeing what's happening right now with the clip art and in the planner community, and it's making you feel super inspired and excited to plan, that's how I'm feeling right now, and it is why I am so looking forward to planning out this month. I love this kit lineup. I think all of these kits are so gorgeous and I cannot wait to plan. So I'm excited to share these spreads with you. They'll either be pictures on Instagram or videos on YouTube. We'll see how the month goes, but I'm excited to get into my planner. So thank you all for watching this kit lineup video. I would love to know what kits you're planning with for this month. So you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below if you know what your kit lineup is going to be. I hope you're all having an amazing day. I will see you next video. Bye.